How can I do the number 7? I don't know. I just can't do numbers apparently. Why? Why? It's day 7 of August 2018 Box Week. If you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. I'm Drew. Box Week is best week every month of my channel. It's 1 week every month me and my YouTube subscribers spend 7 consecutive days together. We're going to be opening up tonight Ipsy. Ipsy is a $10 monthly beauty subscription bag. It's one of the best ones out there. I was actually asked today by my hairdresser. Yes, the girl got her hair done. They asked me, she was like, what's your favorite subscription of all time? If you have your go-to. And I'm like, if you're looking at ones in the medium range of like $10 to $15, I always tell people Ipsy. Ipsy is hands down the best, simply because the way that they curate it, the way that they offer products, the variety, etc., profiles, all of that. If you're looking for one that's like 20 or higher, obviously BoxyCharm is like where it is at. We're going to be putting items into our stockpile giveaway tonight. That's this box right here of goodies, which is like basically almost full. I'm super excited. When that box is full at the end of this month, we're going to be giving that away. That's the 4th box we've done. I'll post a video explaining how to enter that once it is full. I also want to point out, if you see my nails tonight in this video, I'm bringing it up. You probably wouldn't even notice this, but I feel like I have to say something because one person would notice and start commenting. I don't even want to go there. So one of my acrylic nails popped off today. I had 0 time to go and get it fixed at the shop, so I glued it on, and then I went in the bathroom and washed my hands. I got nail glue all over both of my hands. I still have nail glue on me. I can't get it off. And the nail glue turned white on the nail that I reattached. So if you see one of my nails looking like there's like white stuff all over it, it's nail glue. It's not like some kind of freaky infection. It's nail glue. Drew cannot put on nail glue. So let's just add that to the list of things that I can't do, like putting on nail glue, false lashes, painting my own nails, whatever, opening stuff. This is who we are. We're here now. Nothing we can do about it. All right, so let's get into Ipsy tonight. I can't totally remember. I'm pretty sure I actually redeemed some of my points this last month. I think so. I can't remember though, and I don't remember what I got. So I mean, there's that. That's great. I think, yeah, there's some stuff out here. Okay, yes, I did redeem some stuff. Great, good to know. So one of the items I redeemed, which I was excited to try out, is I'm going to try this. It's called Goodnight PM Mask by Meg. You guys know I love face masks. When I saw they had like a sheet mask available, I was like, well, I'm getting that. And then this thing, it's Wander Beauty. It's Glotion. It's like illuminating lotion. So I'm going to try put a little bit of that onto my hand. Oh, there's a seal on it. Oh, shoot. Ah, I got it right away. Boom! Feeling so good about myself right now. The fact that I was able to immediately pull a safety seal off of something. All right, I'm rubbing this in. Oh, y'all. This is pretty. This is gonna make a girl glow. Yes. Okay, so those were the items that I just like claimed in the actual like little points thing when you redeem your points or whatever. This is the bag this month. I'm not really feeling the bag. It's kind of plain, honestly. Like, I know it's like a bright color, but it's like a cotton fabric. It's definitely not, like, I mean, I don't know. It doesn't seem, like sometimes they send bags that are just like so cool, and this one's kind of like, it's a bag, whatever. It looks like we got a makeup brush with glitter in the wand. Can I see the brand name? I don't see a brand name. Oh, wait. I can't read it in the plastic. SG62 from, nope, something glam. Shrink Glam? I don't know. All I know is I'm going to be putting this in the giveaway box because I don't think we have any makeup brushes in the giveaway box this month. We haven't been getting a lot of brushes. They were like, all right, girl, you got enough brushes. Chill out. So that's going in the giveaway box. All right, the next item that we have is Ciate Glow 2 Highlighter. All right, we got a highlighter from Ciate London. I don't know if that's how you say the name properly, but that's how I say the name. Oh, this pretty. Can y'all see it? Can you see it? It's real pretty. Oh my God, that's cute. It's in the shade Moon Dust, and it looks like a color that would just make my whole life come together. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this Moon Dust, and I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand on top of that lotion. Oh my God, stop it! Look at that. Okay, you know what? We're just not even gonna play games tonight. It was a tough day today. Yes, I got new hair, but it was a struggle in the first end of the day. So we're gonna put some of this glow on right now. I don't care if I look a fool. I'll look like I am living my best glowing life. That's all you need to know. All right, the next item that we have is Ofra Cosmetics. It's like gigantic eyeshadow blue jeans used in palettes and kits. This is like a dark blue eyeshadow in the shade Blue Jeans. Interesting color. I'm actually gonna put this in the giveaway box. It's a really unique color. I like it, so I'm not gonna take it out and swatch it, but it's like gigantic. That's a full-size Oprah eyeshadow there. All right, next item that we have is Caudalie Vino Perfect concentrated brightening essence. It's some kind of brightening essence. Can you see it? Oh, look at the focus is starting to focus in. That's good. I'm glad it's doing its job. All right, I'm gonna see what the deal is with this. So I don't know what you're supposed to do with this, but it doesn't really have much of a smell. I'm guessing you just put this like on your face or something, and assumably, obviously. All right, this essence combines efficiency, I can't read it, and gentleness. Oh my bad, I can't read. Just found out right now that I can't read. This video is just really highlighting some things in my life that I need to address after this video. To reveal the skin's original radiance. Complexion looks more even and bright. Apply morning and evening before your serum on cleansed skin with a cotton pad. Okay, so almost like I feel like it's instead of a toner type thing, but I kind of get irritated by products like this. Like, I'm happy if they work. My problem is I'm like, dude, are you adding another step to my skin routine? Like, how much do I have to do? I mean, I need the help, but golly, like, eventually just tell me just to let it go. You know what I mean? Like, what else do I need to do to fix this mug? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Alrighty, this is a little card that tells about what's in here. And what is this? Oh my God. Oh, it's a lip gloss? No. You guys, this is a lip gloss. I'm just not even, I am not even joking around right now. This is too exciting. This is a little lip, I'm done. I'm done. This is a lip gloss. Hold up. Oh, stop it. I'm gonna be looking a fool up in places with my little lip gloss. Like, what's up? It's a little popsicle. Don't worry about it. It's not your business. Okay, we're gonna put it on. Okay, stop it. I don't even care what the color looks like. This could look like dirt and I would just put it on just because it's a little popsicle. Okay, I'm gonna be right back because I'm gonna wipe this off. We're gonna put it on. I'll be back. All right, I already wiped off my lip gloss. I was like, this is not, no. Okay, can you see? Oh my God. Oh my God, this is the cutest. I'm done. I don't even know if I like it. I don't know if I like the formula. I don't even know if I like the color. I just know that this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. The flavor's not great. I don't even care. Oh my God, I just got my life. It's from Glamour Dolls, Sweet Treats Lip Gloss. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? This is so cute. Okay, so to recap this box now, or bag. What are we doing? Ipsy? Oh God. The lip gloss, I'm just gone. We got the really adorable Glamour Dolls lip gloss, which is on right here. I don't know what shade it is. I don't feel like any of that matters at this point. Just the fact that it came looking like a popsicle. We got this brush by a brand that I can't read, but I think it's a highlighter brush. We're gonna put that in the giveaway box. We also got this Ciate London highlighter, which I put on right there, which is just too much adorable. We got this Blue Jeans eyeshadow from Oprah Cosmetics, which is also going into the giveaway box. And we got this Caudalie Vino Perfect Essence, which you're supposed to put on like before you put on a serum to help like brighten your skin. I'm interested to see how that works out. And I got some stuff that I claimed in my points, which I dropped on the floor, and I just don't feel like bending over and picking up right now. Overall though, dude, come on, I think this was like awesome. So that's all I have for you guys today. Maybe the unboxing wasn't awesome, but I feel like the bag was awesome. So we'll just leave it at that. That's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you want to be part of the Justlikedrew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I'll see you tomorrow because we actually still have a couple more boxes to open for day 8. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. About your channel, didn't you?
Yes.
You admit it? You believe your sister?